Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be transforming myself into this sultry Satan look, which is pretty much just devil makeup. But before we jump into the tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel. You can also hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. And let's just jump into the tutorial. So if you guys are interested in seeing this look, then keep watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting this look off with my eye makeup already done, so I'm just going to jump right into that dark pink shade from the Mayor on Paradise palette. And I'm just using this as the base coat of her skin. I did the beginning half of this look live, so that's why my mouth is flapping all over the place. There were so many people that were triggered by me using a smaller brush for this step, but I swear there's a reason. When you use a smaller brush, it just allows you to keep the pigment of the paint without causing too much streaking. I feel like the bigger the brush you use, the more streaky it gets, and then you have to just keep layering it. And I mean, using a smaller brush just takes a lot longer, but I mean, choose your battles. Now I'm going in with this pink shaded highlighter from Wet n Wild, and I'm just highlighting. So I'm just manipulating my natural bone structure into a badass bitch, basically. In professional terms, of course. Now I'm grabbing a dark magenta shade to start contouring. So you want to make sure that you hit those cheekbones, the forehead, jawline, collarbone, boobs. You get the point. Now it's time to bring out the horns. I'm attaching these using spirit gum and pressing them into place. When using spirit gum, it's super important to wait a few minutes for the glue to get tacky before sticking them on, or else they're just going to be sliding all over the place. I got these guys on Amazon. I'll link them below for you. They're honestly the perfect size. Then I'm just adding a little extra highlighting and contouring because why not? For the lips, I thought it would be a cool idea to go the Kim Possible route and just do the top lip, so I'm filling that in with a dark plum colored paint and then blocking out that bottom lip with that dark pink. Now I'm just grabbing that same magenta shade that we've been using for contouring, and I'm just going to add that to my eyelids as well, just to give it a more cohesive feel. I thought it would be fun to amp up the look with some glitter, so I'm using the shade Magenta from Ben Nye, and I'm just adding this to the base of the horns, my eyelids, my décolletage, and I'm just using glitter glue to apply this. To vamp up the eyes a little bit, I'm just adding some black liner to my waterline. Then, to keep the illusion of my body being pink, I'm just going to make sure that I coat my hairline with that dark pink paint. I originally wasn't sure what I was going to do with the horns, but in the end I decided to paint them pink to blend in. And then I just went in with a plum colored paint to add some detail to the divots of the horns. But I mean, you could have just left them natural, or you can do them any color really, so definitely put your spin on it. Alright, so this is the finished look, looking extra bitchy. If you guys love the way that it turned out, then give me a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. You can also hit that bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, stay creative.